In this video, I'm going to solve exercise 2, page 92 in chapter 8 about vectors. In exercise 2, the question is to simplify. So to simplify the following, first we should think about Chazel's relation. And to start with, first think of transforming every minus into a plus. How can we do this? So here we have AB plus DC plus minus DB is equal to plus BD, and also minus AC is plus CA. Now, how can we simplify? First, we should look at the vectors where the ending point of the first is the starting point of the second. So let's see. Here we have, for example, AB and BD. The ending point here is the starting point here. So the answer will be AD. So we can join these two vectors to get AD. Similarly, we can look at the other vectors, DC and CA. So DC plus CA. The ending point here is the starting point here. This means that we can add them by Chazel's rule. We get DA. We continue. Similarly, again, we have AD plus DA, same letter, so we combine to get AA, which is 0. This is one way. Another way is to consider that, to view them as opposite vectors, because we know the opposite of vector AD is DA, so we can directly say 0. Okay, so we can write it in two ways. So I'll write it as AA, which is simply the 0 vector. Part B, we have AB minus CD minus AC plus BA. So, similarly, first we start by changing all the minuses into pluses. So, plus DC plus CA plus BA. Then, we look at the ones where the ending point of the first is the starting point of the second. So, here we have, for example, AB and BA together, and we have DC with CA. Now notice AB plus BA will give AA, which is the 0 vector, or we can simply cancel them out. DC plus CA will give DA by Chazel's rules. So this will give the 0 vector plus DA, which is simply DA. We could have from the beginning crossed out AB and BA if we wanted, because their sum is 0. The third part, we have AB plus CD plus DE plus BF minus AF. First, what can we combine here? So, before flipping anything, we can add these two together, AB and BF, so we get AF. And we also have CD plus DE, so we get CE. And minus AF, we can keep it as minus AF because it will cancel out with this, or write it as plus FA. So I'll keep it as minus AF because we notice that it cancels out, so we remain with CE. Now the last part, part 4, we have the following. So notice here, AB plus BD, we can combine them together to get AD. We could have used also BC instead. So I'll write this as AD using Chazel's rule. And I will flip everything negative to positive. So this becomes plus CA plus BC plus DA. Now notice AD and DA are opposite vectors, so we can cancel them out because their sum is 0. Or you can simply say AD plus DA is AA, which is the 0 vector. And we remain with these two. Notice if we interchange these by commutativity, because we know U plus V is the same as V plus U, so CA plus BC is the same as BC plus CA, we get BC plus CA. Since this is the same letter, so we get vector BA.